Hey there, today I will teach you guys how to make bún hen, also known as baby clam vermicelli. This dish is super easy to make, but it does require a few ingredients.
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign.
So the first thing we want to do is to prep all of our ingredients. You will need about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic to cook with and about 1/3 cup of finely chopped garlic for the sauce. 2 cups of thinly sliced green onions. 2 small chopped or thinly sliced shallots. 1.5 cups of thinly sliced ginger. 2 to 3 chopped Thai chilies. This part is totally optional depending on your heat level. 1 thinly sliced Granny Smith apple. You're going to cut it into thin strips like this. One of the key ingredients that you cannot leave out is Vietnamese coriander, which is also known as rau rum. Roughly chop about a cup of coriander. Set the rest aside to garnish at the end. Drain and rinse 2 cans of baby clams and then add it to a pot. Fill it with water just enough to cover the surface. Add a few slices of ginger and a couple stems of the coriander. We're going to let this simmer on medium to low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Skim the surface occasionally. Then we're going to remove baby clams from the pot. Use a spatula to press down and drain any extra liquid. Add chicken powder and salt to season and adjust to your preference. Now to a new pan, we're going to add some cooking oil. Cook garlic and shallot on low heat for about a minute. Then you will add sliced ginger and sliced green onions. Saute on medium to low heat for another 5 minutes. Add in baby clams along with the dry ingredients, Thai chili, and fish sauce. We're going to saute this for another 10 minutes until all the aroma is released and everything is absorbed. Turn off the stove and add in Vietnamese coriander. The heat from the pot will cook the coriander, so it does not need any additional cooking. Mix well and set aside. Now we will make a shrimp paste sauce. Add sugar into a bowl of hot water and mix well until dissolved. Then slowly add in the rest of the ingredients. Try to find a good quality shrimp paste. If you can, try to find one that is from Hue or Da Nang, because every region will have a slightly different taste to it, and we want to keep this as authentic as possible. Now that the sauce is all done, let's assemble our dish. Add in the vermicelli, banana blossom, fresh coriander, sliced apple, fried pork skin, stir-fried clams, and our fried shallots. Finish it off with our shrimp paste dressing or sauce, whatever you like to call it. Mix everything together and give it a try. Bún hen have so many different flavors and textures that it will make it hard for you to grow tired of eating it. There you have it, baby clam vermicelli. This dish originated from the imperial city of Hue, and it is also one of Central Vietnam's specialty dish. I hope you guys liked this recipe, and thank you for watching.